Welcome back to our maths class. Let's move into the chapter Algebra, exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3, question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. In the previous module itself, we saw sums like this. Okay, statement will be given. We have to write the expressions. Okay, so first one, 11 added to 2m. Okay, so this statement, how can we write them as an expression? 11 is added to 2m. Yes, so 11 is added to 2m. So we have to write 2m first. Okay, so 2m plus 11 added. So plus sign. Clear, children? Next one. 11 subtracted from 2m. From 2m, 11 has been subtracted. So how can we write the expression? It is 2m minus 11. Clear? Next one. 5 times y to which 3 is added. Okay, so 5 times y. When the word times come, it means multiplication. Okay, so 5 times y means 5 into y. Okay, so 5 times y is what? 5 into y. Okay, so 5 into y, can we write it as 5y? Yes, so this multiplication sign you needn't put. Okay, so 5 into y is nothing but 5y. Okay, so 5y means 5 times y to which 3 is added. Okay, so added, so we have to put a plus sign. What is added? 3 is added, so plus 3. Clear, children? Next one, 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. Okay, here also the same thing, 5 times y. Okay, so 5y, 5 times y is 5y. Okay, from which 3 is subtracted. So minus sign. What is subtracted? 3 is subtracted. Okay, so 5y minus 3. Clear? Now next one. Y is multiplied by minus 8 or negative 8. Okay, so y is multiplied by. So it is nothing but minus 8y. Okay, y is multiplied by minus 8. Okay, that is nothing but minus 8 into y, which is nothing but minus 8y. Clear, children? So minus 8 into y is nothing but minus 8y. Clear? Now next one. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Okay, so first what is happening? Y is multiplied by minus 8. That means it is minus 8y. Y is being multiplied by minus 8. So it is minus 8y. And then 5 is added to the result. Okay, so 5 is being added. Okay, so plus 5. Okay, children, so we have minus 8y plus 5. Clear? Now next one. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. Okay, so y is multiplied by 5. That means 5 into y, that is 5y. Okay, and the result is subtracted from 16. Okay, so from 16 we have to subtract 5y. Okay, so it is 16 minus 5y. This is clear. First is y is multiplied by 5. So we got 5y. Okay, and the result is, what is the result here? 5y. And the result is subtracted from 16. So from 16 we have to subtract 5y. Clear? So it is 16 minus 5y. Clear, children? Subdivision H. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. Okay, so y is multiplied by minus 5. Okay, that means y is multiplied by minus 5. So minus 5 into y. Okay, that is nothing but minus 5y. And the result is added to 16. Okay, so result is added to 16. So we have to add 16 to that. Okay, clear, children? So we have minus 5y plus 16. Clear? Now you can take down the solution. Okay, you can take down the solution. Question number 6. Form expression using t and 4. Use not more than one number operation. every expression must have t in it. Okay, we have to form expression using t and 4. Okay, so while forming expression, each expression should have only one number operation. Okay, what are the 4 operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so when you are forming expressions, each expression should have only one operation. That is, if you are taking addition, that expression should have only addition. Okay, now next, if you are taking subtraction, that expression must contain only subtraction sign. Okay, and same way multiplication also, that expression should contain only multiplication sign, and if you are taking division, that expression should contain only division sign. Okay, but every expression should have t in it. You have to use t in every expressions. Clear, children? So only t and 4 is there. Okay, so we have to use both t and 4 while forming expressions. Okay, now look into the answer. What are the different set of expressions we can make? Okay, as I told you, only one operation you can use at a time. Okay, so t plus 4, the first expression formed is t plus 4. Okay, the next one t minus 4. Okay, so t plus 4 only addition we have used. Same way t minus 4 subtraction. Okay, 4 minus t, t minus 4 and 4 minus t, both are different. Okay, so t minus 4 is one expression and 4 minus t is another expression. Okay, both are different. T minus 4 and 4 minus t are different, they are not the same. Clear, children? Now next one, 4t. 4t means it is 4 into t. Yes or no? So 4 into t is nothing but 4t. Okay, so the operation used here is multiplication. Okay, now next one, t divided by 4. Okay, the operation used is division. So t divided by 4, and the next operation is 4 divided by t. Clear? T divided by 4 and 4 divided by t, both are different. Okay, so these are the expressions that can be formed using t and 4. Clear? Now next, B subdivision. Form expression using y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only 2 number operations. These should be different. Okay, so here we have to use y, 2 and 7. Okay, and the condition given is each expression should have y in it. So whatever expression you make, it should contain y. Okay, and we can use 2 number operations here. Any 2 number operations we can use. Okay, so let us look into our answer. Okay, so what are the number operations? See, first one, 2y plus 7. Okay, we have to use 2y and 7. So can we write it as 2y plus 7? Okay, so we have to use 2 operations. So what are the operations used here? 2y. Okay, that means 2 into y. Okay, and this plus 7. So the 2 operations are used, multiplication and addition. Okay, and we have used all 3 given. That is the variable y we have used, and the numbers 2 and 7 also we have used. Okay, so 2y plus 7 is one expression. The next expression is 2y minus 7. Okay, so 2y minus 7, and the third one 7y plus 2. Okay, 2y plus 7 and 7y plus 2, both are different. Okay, this and this both are different. Okay, so we can make 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2 and so on, etc. Okay, we can